45 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4, 16, 4 times 5, 20, 4 times 6, 24. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 20. 4 goes into this 4 how many times? 1 times. 1 times 4, 4. Subtract 0. Bring down this 5. 0, 5 means 5. 4 goes into 5 how many times? 2 times. So this is get us 1 time. 1 time 4, 4. Subtract 1. So our answer is 11, remainder 1. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first zero. Before the zero, there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the question directly. 4 goes into 10 how many times? 3 times 12, 2 times 8, 2 times 4, 8. Subtract 2. Bring down another 0. So 20. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 5 times. Write 5 here. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. So our answer is 11.25.